2 people were killed and 2 others were injured in stabbing attack in Israel's Holon city on Sunday morning. The assailant was shot dead by a police officer. The victims were in 3 different locations. The attacker stabbed people near a gas station in a park. Israel's ambulance service said the 66-year-old woman died at the scene. A 68-year-old man died in the hospital. The other 2 victims were taken to a nearby hospital. One of them, a man in his 70s, is in a serious condition. The terrorist was quickly neutralized by one of our officers at the scene and prevented him from carrying out an even worse attack, police spokesperson Eli Levi said on Israel's Channel 12. According to preliminary reports, the attacker was a 34-year-old resident of the city of Salat in the West Bank. He did not have a permit to enter Israel. Hamas said in a statement that the stabbing attack was a natural response to Israeli attacks on Palestinians and to the assassination of the group's leader Ismail Haniyeh last week. In
ליום ראשון.
יא שרמוטה, יא מחבל! תביא אותם שפות לו, אבל אני לא רואה אותם באמצע.
ליום ראשון.